Okay, fine. Stay there, sweetie. You just stay there. Just fix the pole. And I want to warm up first. I need to warm up here.
What are you gonna warm up?
I gotta warm up because I need to warm up and stretch out before we go fishing because I don't have in the mood. You know that? So, second day of his day off. Okay, fine. He dragged me again here outside. Okay, guys, see you there in the lake. It's okay. But anything we catch, we can bring home because I want to eat it. Okay, sweetie? Not every time you cast the pole, you can catch. So, if you can catch, don't let it go.